G'day, I'm standing in the middle of our Cloudy Bay wastewater field. With the waste field, what we happen, for every litre of wine that's made, you get so much liquid left over or used to make wine for cleaning and all that sort of stuff. So it goes to a treatment plant down the far end of the property here, and once it goes to the treatment plant and gets treated and all the solids taken out of it, if there's any seeds and so forth through there, and then it gets re-spread out over this area, and it gets done incrementally. So it'll be one block will go for 2 or 3 minutes, then another block and another block, spreading over the whole area. And you need something to absorb all that moisture, and planting this native area has done that, and by and large they've done extremely well in this environment. This predominantly used to be a tree-filled area with Eucalyptus ovata, but what we found with that in the area, that in periods of dry, which is most of the summer in Marlborough, the trees suffered. So 5 years ago I went down a path of introducing a native area, and we just planted that up down the far end of here. After the first year we didn't see any problems with the plants, so we've just carried that on incrementally over the last 5 years. And it becomes a part of the staff planting program as well, so they have come out and helped plant over these years. But as you see in behind me, they've actually done quite well in this area, and aesthetically I think they look a bit nicer than what the eucalyptus did, and it's adding to the ecosystem. During the peak seasons you'll get the tuis and bellbirds and so forth coming in here, loving the flowers and so forth. I found the best plants are the Carex vigata, the Forminium tenax, and they take up the bulk of the planting, but we have interspaced Hoheria, Kofi, some Coprosma propinqua and Raminoides and so forth. But by and large, because of what we're trying to do, the flax and the Carexes take up most of the planting spaces. And you'll notice that in front of each sprinkler, the majority of them is the Carex, so that's not going to interrupt any of the water throw. And then the taller varieties, as they grow, will take the balance in the final throw of the water. It's just a bit more diversity. The grass is still doing its job, as you see further afield here, but the natives are giving us a long-term beneficial result, I would think.